Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. Thank you for joining, or thank you for watching. First of all, today I'm going to take you through the process of making jumbo knotless braids. You want to keep in mind that knotless braids are some of the most protective styles, and in this particular case we're trying to achieve a jumbo style but with very minimal braid. You can do jumbo with big braids, you can do jumbo with this particular size you're going to do in this video. Kama kawaida, I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first step always is parting. Use your gel and then just divide that parting into 3 subsections. Braid it down like 2-3 stitches and then add the braid. Okay, for you to know when to add the braid, usually I feel like it depends with the client's hair. If a client has thick hair, you might have to do like maybe 2-3 stitches. But if the client has like thin hair, you can just do like one stitch and then you add the braid, guys. So in this particular case, as I have mentioned, we are not like going for like, the big jumbo box braids, knotless braids. We're just going for a medium kind of, look or volume. As you can see, the partings are quite bigger than the braid, and that was the idea because the client has a lot of hair and she was like, I don't want them to be super like big. She didn't want heavy, but she wanted knotless braids, so that is why we decided to go with that size. So remember, again, you want to use braids that are, in this particular case we wanted the extra long, so that is why we went for the extra long darling braid. Again, as I usually say, you can use any braid that you feel suits you or that is available or accessible to you. Yes, so just keep braiding after you've added the hair at the roots. You have to note that for jumbo knotless braids or jumbo, any type of jumbo braid, you want to focus more on the parting, because if the bigger the parting, the more noticeable it is. So you want to try and take your time and just part them, and so that you can achieve a very clean, good looking partings. I don't know if that is even a word, guys, but you understand what I'm saying. The bigger the parting, the more it's gonna show, so take your time. For my client, she had a lot of hair, and usually, particular as a person, I like braiding thick hair because they usually just come out, they don't fail you. But the goal by the end of the day is to make your client happy, ensure she has gotten what she was looking for. That is the process. As you can see, divide the hair into 3 subsections, then braid it first like stitches, and then take your braid, add braid, take your braid again, add, and then braid it down. Also, one thing I have to mention, there are so many ways of adding the braids when you're doing knotless. Yeah, so maybe in future we'll get to show you some of the other ways you can use to add braids when you're doing knotless. So guys, that is the simplest way to do your knotless braids. If you're a beginner, don't feel intimidated if you're doing it for the first time. The thing with braiding, just try to practice as much as you can. You might not get it right the first time. Continue, like keep trying, because that is the only way you're going to learn or be good at it. Like, don't feel bad. Usisikie vibaya kama umejaribu like so many times and it's not working. One day you just find yourself doing it, and the good thing, if after you've learned, you can never go back. That is something you cannot unlearn easily. Yeah, so just don't give up. Keep trying, keep watching our videos, and if you have any questions, again, I usually encourage you to ask that in the comment section. So that is the process, and Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, and for encouraging us by just, the subscriptions is like, I feel like we're going to get to 1,000 subscribers this month. I feel it. So if you're watching this, Aki, don't go if you bila subscribe. Just do it. It's so encouraging. It's so motivating. Also suggest this channel to your friends who are trying to get into braiding. And I'm telling you, 2023 is not late to get into braiding or to become a professional braider, guys. It's not too late. Like, it's worth the try. Just give it a try, and we'll see you on the other side of braiding world. I can't wait to be answering your questions and just giving you all the tips that I have about braiding. So guys, that is it. That is how it's done. Easier. I know it doesn't look easy for a beginner, but I can assure you it's doable. You can do it. Just keep, look for friends who have open hair and just tell them, come sit here, let me try something. Keep trying. That is the only way. Practice. Don't focus so much on perfection. I think just focus on daily progress. Yes, that is the final look. The client loved it. We loved it. Yes, she's ready. Asante sana for watching. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next video and the next one. Bye.